Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are learning how to draft a cargo vest, also known as a utility vest. In this video we'll be drafting a size small. If you'd like to draft a cargo vest for other sizes, you can do so with the help of my printable PDF pattern that is going to be linked in the description. Stay until the end to find out how you can stand a chance to win a copy of the pattern for free. And without wasting any time, let's get into the video. You'll need 1 meter of pattern paper, a pair of scissors, a ruler, and a marker. Making sure that the pair of scissors that you're using is not the same as the ones that you use to cut your fabric. The first thing you're going to want to do is make a mark that is 24 inches away from the edge of the paper on two opposite sides of your sheet, just like how I'm doing here. Then you want to fold the paper so the edge touches those two marks, and press the paper down with your hands to keep it flat. Then you want to make small marks that are a half an inch away from the edge and connect them all so that you can have a straight line that's parallel to the edge and half an inch away from it. Alright, so next you want to make a mark that is 1.5 inch down from the corner on the edge. Next you want to make a mark that is 4.5 inches away from the corner. Then you want to connect the marks like I am doing so to create the neck open for the back. You are drafting from the edge of the paper and not from the edge that we just drew, not from the line that we just drew. Next you're gonna mark 2 inches down from the other corner and draw a line to connect that mark to the neck open like I'm doing here. Mark 5 inches from the neck open on the line that you just drew. We'll call this mark A, and this will be your shoulder line. Make a mark that is 11 inches down from this line. Make some marks that are 10.5 inches away from edge 1 and connect them to create a straight line that is parallel to edge 1 and 2. This will be the width of the back piece. Transfer mark B over to the new line and connect mark A to mark B like I'm doing here. I'm freehanding these, but to be more accurate you can use a special ruler for armhole specifically. You can find one at your local fabrics shop, or you could download one online probably. I'm sure you can. Mark 24 inches down from the top and draw a line which will be perpendicular to edge 1 and 2. This will determine the height of your vest. Cut out what you have so far, being careful to hold your paper down while you cut so that both layers of paper are cut the same. After you're done cutting, you're going to have two pieces like this. On top you have the back piece, which is ready, and below is the piece that will make our front piece. Next, you want to make a mark that is 33 centimeters up from the bottom corner. Connect that point to the neck open with a straight line. Make two marks that are 3/4 of an inch down from the shoulder line and draw a straight line between them to create a line parallel to the shoulder line. Next, you want to cut along the lines that you just drew. Last thing you'll have to do is label your pattern. This includes things such as the name of your pattern. It could be a code or a code with a number, what the pattern is of. In our case, we're making a cargo vest, which pattern piece it is, whether it's a front, a back piece, a pocket piece, the size of the pattern, how many of the pattern piece to cut, and you want to mark where the fold is going to be. The absolute last thing you'd have to cut is the pockets, and you just want to cut out pieces like the ones that I'm showing on screen here using the measurements that I have drafted on the pieces already. This is the top pocket piece, the other one was the flap, and this will be the bottom pocket pieces, which have a zip. Take a screenshot of these measurements because you will have to use them. Thank you for making it to the end of the video. Make sure you subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this, and also leave a comment below on what you'd like to learn how to draft next. That is all from me this time, and I will see you next week.